Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I wanted to just have a low-key conversation to you and to see what you think really. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I come on and talk about weekly tips, tricks and advice on how to run your handmade business successfully. But today it's going to be just a little conversation. I just want to discuss the whole YouTube revolution and how only meant to be, or is perceived to be, for certain YouTubers. I've been doing YouTube for a little while now, but I've been doing it for a little while, and I've seen certain things, and I've kind of listened to certain YouTubers that talk about, you know, a lot of it is to do with views, a lot of it's to do with subscribers, and not getting anywhere if you don't have millions of trillions of subscribers. Now I look at it as a platform, and I look at it as a tool to help promote my business. Now I've gone into this knowing full well that I can only do my best and do what I can to put myself out there, so to speak. Now I feel that there's loads of YouTubers out there that are making millions of pounds and they're doing really well. Now I feel that people need to understand that you can put the work in and you can do as much as you can. It involves a lot of work, so don't be disheartened if you're not getting thousands and thousands of subscribers. Use YouTube as a platform to promote yourself, to enhance yourself, to feel confident. If you've got a business, promote it on YouTube, because it's a platform at the end of the day, and people just get those things intertwined and they get frustrated if they haven't had 20,000 views. The people that have subscribed to my channel, I appreciate them and I thank you so much. I get comments now that people binge watch my videos, and I'm just like, wow, actually you actually binge watch my videos. But yeah, I just feel that if you are looking to set up a channel, do it, really do it, because it's incredible how I'm sitting in my front room filming this and I'm reaching out to anyone out there in the world. It's amazing how YouTube has managed to give you that kind of tool to raise yourself. You should really try and tap into YouTube yourself if you are scared or whatever. Yes, it's going to be hard at first, but you'll get used to it. I mean, my first video was in 2009 and yeah, I'm embarrassed to watch it, but you know, I put it there because that's where I started. Just try and put yourself out there and don't feel disheartened if you're not getting the views, because it's not about that. It's not about getting hundreds of thousands of views. Be appreciative. Don't feel that, oh, I've only got 100 people. It doesn't matter. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel, and I hope you do enjoy my videos. Just do YouTube, because everybody's got their own niche, their own time to do things, and just use it as a tool to get yourself from the next step. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe below, and yeah, I'll come back with another video. Thanks guys, bye.